Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, we were discussing NCERT exemplar questions of the chapter integers, and I have already discussed with you important points of this chapter and question 1 to 4 of the type MCQ. So now we will start from the question number 5. So question number 5 is number of whole numbers lying between -5 and 5. Here he said whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come as whole numbers lying between 5 and -5. So we will take the right answer is D, 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Coming to the question number 6, we have the greatest integer lying between -10 and -15. Students, here -10, -11, I can write left side rather right side. So let us start, instead of -10, -15, -4, 14, -13, -12, -11 and -10. Here we given -10 and -15. Between them we have got these 4 integers. So amongst them we are asked to find the greatest integer. So obviously -11 is greatest integer lying between -15 to -10. So the right answer is B. Then coming to the next question, question number 7, the least number lying between -10 and -15. So we have already seen -10, -14, -13, -12, -11, -10. So between these two numbers, the greatest we have already seen. So least will be very close to -15, that is -14. So the right answer is D. Next, question number 8. In question number 8, on the number line, the integer 5 is located always to 0 to the right side. So +5 is always located the right of 0. The right answer is B. Next, question number 9, in which of the following pairs of integers the first integer is not on left of the other integer. So the first integer here, -1 is left of 10, -3 always, -5, -4 and -3. So -5 is left of -3 and -3 is not left of -5. So the right option is B only. So here, as he said not, so -3 is always the right of -5, but he gave it as -3 being first integer left of the other. It won't be. The integer with the negative sign is always less than, so 0. All the negative integers are less than 0. So right option is A. Next, coming to the question number 11, an integer with a positive sign is always greater than, it is again 0. all the positive integers are greater than 0. The successor of the predecessor of minus 50. See children, already we know what is the meaning of predecessor. If you want to find the predecessor of minus 50, you have to subtract from it 1, and he is asking to this successor, that means adding again 1. You know here minus 50 subtracting from that 1 and adding 1 is same as that number is undisturbed. So, the right answer is C. Then coming to the question number 13, the additive inverse of a negative integer is always, see, I have got a negative integer and additive inverse of that negative integer is plus 5. So, the additive inverse of a negative integer is always positive. So, the right option is B. Next, in the question number 14, Amulya and Amma visited 2 places, that is A and B respectively, in Kashmir, and recorded the minimum temperatures on a particular day as minus 4 degrees Celsius and minus 1 degree Celsius, where minus 4 degrees Celsius at A and minus 1 degree Celsius at B. Which of the following statements is true? A is cooler than B. B is cooler than A. There is a difference of 2 degrees Celsius in the temperature. The temperature at A is 4 degrees Celsius higher than at B. So, amongst these, very simple, minus 4 is less than minus 1 is cooler. So, right option is A is cooler than B is right option, option A. So, coming to the question number 15, when a negative integer is subtracted from another negative integer, the sign of the result, see, suppose if you are subtracting from minus 2 minus 3, it is one way, gives you the procedure additive inverse of minus 3, and I have converted subtraction operation into addition operation. So, minus 2 added to plus 3, it implies minus 2 plus 3 is one way, adding one negative, another positive. So, the difference is 1. So, greater number is 3 and its sign is plus sign. So, it is plus 1. Is always negative, is always positive, is never negative, depends on numerical values of the integer. See, this is one situation. I can take some other situation such as minus 3 minus of minus 2. Now, it becomes minus 3 plus 2, whereas its answer is minus 1. So, it depends on, it is not always negative, not always positive, is never negative, it is all these 3 are not correct. It depends on the numerical values of the integers. It depends on minuend and subtrahend. Okay. So, right option is D. In the question number 16, the statement when an integer is added to itself, the sum is greater than the integer. When an integer is added to itself, the sum is greater than the integer. See, suppose 5 is added to 5 gives 10, and it is obviously greater than the original integer 5. But if I add minus 5 to the minus 5 gives me minus 10, where minus 10 is not greater than minus 5, it is less than minus 5. So, always true is wrong, never true is again wrong, sometimes true also. True only when integer is positive. So, this is the right option. True for non-negative integers. Non-negative integers, here this fails when 0 is added to 0 gives 0, and this 0 is not more than 0, it is equal to 0. So, this also fails that way. Now, we have another question, question number 17. Which of the following shows maximum rise in temperature? See, 0 to 10, there is a 10-degree rise, whereas minus 15 to minus 8. So there is a rise of 7 degree Celsius. Here, when it comes to this minus 4 to minus 8, it has got 12 degree rise. How am I getting this? It is so simple. Amongst them, greater minus smaller, that I am doing. So, if you do this, greater minus smaller gives you absolute difference. I am finding absolute difference. Here, how to find absolute difference is simple. Always minuend should be more than subtrahend. So, you will get positive difference only. So, that is how we have got, and here difference is 7 degrees Celsius. So, amongst them, the greater rise here in B, minus 4 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, which is of rise of 12 degrees Celsius. So, with this I have completed all the MCQ type questions. So, in our next session, I will teach you the next true or false type questions. So, till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you. For your help, I am keeping answers from 1 to 17. You can pass the screen and note down the answers.